The RAC Tyre Pressure Maintenance and Emergency Puncture Repair Kit is the most practical, simple and effective kit on the market. In the event of a puncture, it will get you back on the road in 10 minutes. The RAC kit comes in a zipped bag, where you will find a 100 psi compressor and a 300ml bottle of the ultra-safe and highly effective RAC tyre sealant. This is a product you can trust, having been thoroughly tested and approved. It will seal punctures of up to 6 mm and reliably get you back on the road to your home or the nearest tyre retailer. The 12-volt compressor will easily re-inflate your tyre in minutes, provide accurate information, and will cut off automatically. The unit includes a bright torch and has both a red flashing mode in case of emergencies and an SOS function. Tucked away in the back of the compressor, you'll find the airline hose, a fully retractable 12-volt power lead, and an adapter for inflating leisure items such as footballs, paddling pools, and other lifestyle products. The unique sealant bottle will allow you to pour the contents directly and easily into the deflated tyre. Pull up the nozzle, twist or pull the cap from the tube, and use the reverse as a valve core removing tool. The sealant is non-latex and won't damage your tyres. Position the tyre valve at the 8 or 4 o'clock position to aid application. Remove the dust cap. Remove the valve core using the reverse of bottle cap. Fit the tube over the valve stem, pouring all of the sealant into the deflated tyre. Now refit the valve core and attach the airline adapter. Inflate to 20 psi. Disconnect the compressor and move the vehicle forwards to distribute the sealant. Reconnect the compressor and complete the full inflation process. Fit the red warning dust cap as a reminder. Drive safely and remember to keep your speed to 40 miles per hour, as you may have suffered run-flat damage. Pack away your RAC kit in the boot. Make your way to a professional tyre retailer and remember to buy a replacement bottle of RAC tyre sealant.